It has been cool 2 days in a row, and you're cold.
Yeah.
How cold are you? You ever feel this kind of coolness in a Jamaican here? Never?
Never.
So how you still dressed in a sweater?
Come on, you feel it, Papa.
For me, man, you don't feel it? But think I found yesterday. The cold weather we are talking about. Me see you prepare for it. You didn't cold yesterday.
Yeah.
Jano, so you don't put on a top today, but you didn't prepare. You didn't cold yesterday. You like to be cold.
Yeah.
Big up. So we see a lot of persons really come out in them sweat top because then they cold yesterday. So then say it's okay. The cold that we feel yesterday, now I feel it today. So we put on a sweat top. And today, really a kick of traveling nation. Your size in this year. Tell me why you think we get the cold front here.
I think that to the amount of ice we have fall in England, London and a whole, Toronto and a whole,
New York
and a whole.
Yes.
You understand what I say?
So have you ever get this kind of weather here in Jamaica?
You never seen it.
Never yet.
Never.
And you're a big man. So that means I wonder if because America sneeze where we catch the cold. Oh, Jamaican, cool. You ever experienced this kind of weather here in Jamaica, my friend? Never?
No.
Jano. You think one day we're gonna get snow?
Probably.
Oh. What do you think catch when we get them kind of cold here? Big up yourself, Daddy.
Yes, man.
You ever get them kind of coldness in Jamaica?
Jesus Christ, I was in 1980.
1980?
1981 or 82.
Yes, man. I remember that one.
2000 and 2000.
Yes.
People are here weird.
Jano.
And how are they? This is cold, I mean, where come from?
Jano, do you think one of these days, if we're feeling this kind of chill, do you think it is like we get snow one of these days?
Yeah, man, I get to man.
Jano.
I get to man.
See, I pack up to go up.
Yeah.
So tell me something. Whoa, me cold! Have you ever felt this kind of cold here in Memphis?
No.
Never. I am now feeling like I'm in Tampa, Florida.
Really?
Sometimes Tampa, Florida get this kind of weather.
Okay.
And Georgia gets snow a couple of days ago. Do you think that one of these days we're going to be getting snow if you're feeling this kind of chill? Have you ever traveled before?
Yeah.
Which country you traveled to?
Canada.
And Canada, cool. Talk it through. You feel like we'll get snow one of these days if you're feeling this kind of chills?
I don't believe that.
You don't believe?
No.
I was Team Travelers. Wow, go on now. Team Travelers, go on to Jamaica. Jano, welcome to New York City. Whoa, did I just say New York City? The reason why I said that is because the temperature that we are feeling here, the coldness on my face, it is like we are in New York City. The only difference is we're not getting any snow here. But my traveling nation, it has been cool 2 days in a row, and today we're gonna be walking from this bridge near Clarendon, and I will be walking to Jamaican Hospital. What a long stretch. And look at the depth. This is Rayomino. Jano. Traveling nation, look at the depth that we have here. I wonder if this camera is giving me the justice. But anyway, big up. So traveling nation will be taking a long walk, and I'm gonna be encouraging you to join with these ever best travelers as I go. We're gonna be walking from this interesting bridge here to Jamaican Hospital. You got police officer. Alright. So we take a look at time, and we're gonna walk on the walkway of this bridge here. Jano. Big up yourself, my general. Cool, me up here. I say go. When you say America sneeze and we catch cold. Man, so you go. So traveling nation, I will be asking today, especially if I see the elders and the hand continue to honk in this bridge, because it's a narrow bridge and they allow 2 vehicles to travel through it. Why can't we get a bridge from up there to here with 2 lanes, government, and get rid of this monumental bridge here in Mayfair? Can just imagine the age of this bridge. Should have done my research on it and to tell them my people, for who don't know, how old is this bridge. need to go. It's modern time. Yeah. So, team travelers. We're gonna be taking on, I'm gonna be encouraging them people to take on this journey with Everblessed Travel. I'm gonna walk through from this spot of ground and I will be taking on the town center of Jamaica. For all the persons that are new here, welcome to this traveling valley where we walk and we show beautiful things, people, and places. Big up. Yeah man, one love. So traveling nation, this is how Jamaican Clarendon is looking. Big up yourself, General. Alright. So we are walking. And this hours of the evening, traffic will be here, there and everywhere. Yeah man. Jamaican. Yeah. And not only Jamaican. Simsima. 90s struggling. February 7. Yeah man. Jamaican pretty do my traveling nation. They have a lot of palm trees. These flowers here. Always look nice. And Jamaican load up with it. And big joke. Alright, so we're gonna be walking through. Are you cold? Where are you going? You don't sleep? Shadow. So we'll be. Yeah man. So you want to pick up the vlog, yeah? You want to pick up the vlog, yeah? I have a blessed travels. You want to pick it up? Everblessed Travels.
Yeah man, big up man.
Yeah man.
One love man. Over, big up, never.
Yes, see there. So pick up the socials, man. Pick up the socials, man. Yeah, normal, yo.
Yeah, upper farm, Jamaican Clarendon.
You see, they are bunks so bad tune in a cold weather, yeah.
Absolutely.
When you say America sneeze and we catch cold.
Yeah man, there you go.
Jano. Jano, you ready to be cold? Big up. Whoa, we got you. One love. Me. This man, that taxi man there. Man put me in that trouble like when we get that trouble already. A 4 pass. When I was doing my recording. And the man said, you fix the road? And I said, no. He cussed me out. I said, me a labor right. Because I don't record the road. Anyway, that's a long story. Right now we are dealing with cold. Is Jamaica ready for snow? That's the main question I'm going to ask. As soon as I get the chance, my traveling nation. Is Jamaica ready for this kind of weather? If you notice, I am dressed in my sweats just to take off some of the coolness on my face. Felt like when I was in Tampa 2024. We have some cool weather there. So this kind of weather, I know about it. But how many of you know about this kind of weather here? Leave in the comment for me. In the parish that you're in, and the type of coolness that you're feeling. I know that there are places in Jamaica that experience cool all the time. But Jamaican, St. Catherine, we're not used to them kind of weather here. But anyway, we'll be walking through and we'll be showing you the video. See how much people dress up in a sweat top. Walking through, showing you Jamaican. Hi, good evening. Good evening. How do you feel about this kind of weather that we have now? The cold temperature, you're not ready for that? No, I'm not ready. That lady there was on the phone. Didn't realize that she was on the phone. But what I really love is Jamaican. They plant a lot of palm tree here. Traveling Nation, this one is going to be a very long one. It's going to be to the Maypen Hospital. Yeah, no. So we just decided that we're going to share the journey with you guys. I've done vlogs in Maypen already, but not this kind of weather. So I wonder how prepared are we should in case some snow should hit Jamaica, like how I see it hit _Rupert in Georgia. Yeah, my YouTuber, but we can't put up on it. Yeah, man. My little boy there want to be a camera. So I am _Rupert. We're getting it here, my brother. The only difference is that we're not getting snow. We're not being snowed on. Jano. But anyway, we'll overcome. Jano, this is new. So it is from yesterday we've been experiencing this kind of cold front weather. Wow. And a lot of persons is dressing in sweater. Half of it here. And this there is the bus park. You're cold?
Yes.
How cold are you? You ever feel this kind of coldness in a Maypen here? Never? So how you still in dressing a sweater?
Come on, you don't feel it, Papa.
From me, you don't feel it? Me think from yesterday? Alright. So traveling nation. What going, youngster? You just prepare for cold, man.
Yeah, man.
We can show you hat where you wear. So my people see him just in a hat and in sweater. Do you ever feel this kind of weather here in Jamaica? Wait, which parish you from? Which parish you from? Which parish you from? Clarendon. You feel this kind of coldness at Clarendon? Before? That's not true. If I'm Mandeville now, you couldn't talk to me.
Yeah. You know some man different cold, you know, but you know, one time when the cold front go over your feel here. So that's sometimes.
Jano. Anyway, your view is your view. I will walk in. Drive a blessed service a minute, yeah? You want to tell me how prepared are you? The cold weather we are talking about. Me see you prepare for it. You did cold yesterday.
Yeah.
Jano, so you don't put on a top today, but you didn't prepare. You didn't cold yesterday. You like to be cold. Yeah. All right. Check out Everbless. Check out Everbless Travel. See? YouTube. So we continue to walk through Maypen Town, Traveling Nation. Yeah. Big up. So we see a lot of persons really come out in them sweat top because then they cold yesterday. So then say, look here, the cold how me feel yesterday. Now I feel it today. So we put on a sweat top. And today, really a kick for Traveling Nation. Right now, tell you the truth, I feel like me da Florida. Yeah. So we're walking through same way. Just want to encourage you, Traveling Nation, to leave a comment for me as to how you feel about the cold temperature that we are experiencing here. Do you think we're gonna be experiencing snow one of these days? So we're walking through the same way. This side because music is playing on the right side here. That's not a good time to cross over. I'm a travel content creator.
You are a content creator?
Yeah, I go by the name of the travel.
Okay.
Yeah, ask persons how prepared are you in Maypen for this kind of weather? Do you
Very
think?
prepared.
Do you think we're gonna? Do you think one of these days?
Yes, that.
Do you think one of these days we'll be having snow?
Oh, I mean, we have it right now, but I know.
Where snow is that? Traveling nation, we continue to walk through. Females don't want to be walking through the same way. Sorry. Big up, man. Big up, man.
Big up again.
Are you business place?
Yeah, man.
Then give business a shout out, man.
Furniture store, 130 Main Street, Maypen.
Yeah. What's yourself?
Appliance, fridge, stove, furniture, everything.
Yeah. We're outside. Main Street. Can't miss it.
30 Main Street.
Yeah. The traveling nation. Big up.
Big up.
Alright. The traveling nation we're walking to. Yeah. Cool, my people. No joke. But as I said before, this kind of weather is not strange to me. I've experienced it several times before. The man I say, come on, show you how we're pushing car up the road. Yeah, man. So this year, my people, is Maypen Town Centre. Yeah, man. We're walking. Ever blessed travel. Travel. Like, share and subscribe. Appreciate you, my brother. My brother, you know some need to give your place another showcase again because you travel so far to come and ask me the name. Really appreciate you.
My respect, my respect.
Ever blessed travels. Yeah. So traveling nation, we're walking through. Yeah. This era, my people, is very busy era, festive era.
150 give drugs, daddy. Go, 150.
Screen protector $1,000. Earpods $1,000. Samsung phone $13,000. Earphones $300.
Five days straight pass.
Hustler. What we could get to cold front now? Why are you still there, sir?
Yeah.
Some of people. Your size in this year. Tell me why you think we get the cold front here.
We think that to the amount of ice we have fall in England, London and a whole, Toronto and a whole,
New York
and a whole.
Yes.
You understand what I say?
So have you ever get this kind of weather here in Maypen?
You never seen it.
Never yet. And you're a big man. So that means I wonder if because America sneeze where we catch the cold. How do you think? Alright. Do you think one of these days we will experience snow?
Why they say
If-
to follow mandeville, you know?
It a follow mandeville?
Like the other I say, I don't know how
Sure, no,
you know?
it's possible.
Yeah,
Because
and
if
they
it...
say to follow mandeville today. Or tonight, so we tell them to know.
Alright.
That's what I say.
Alright.
Yeah.
Jano. It's possible me that it. Because me see, Georgia get snow.
Yeah.
And Georgia would always experience cold time, but not snow.
We never get snow.
No. Alright. So we outside in general.
Yeah.
Ever best service, I mean, you should have seen?
Yeah, man.
Alright. And we are walk to.
Yeah.
Same way. I'm going to show the festiveness of Maype. Yeah. One one. Necesita en Cuba. Maype. Festive place. So when I go to travel through Maype, walk through and take a good look on the festiveness of this place. Yeah, man. Walking through this area. KFC Plaza. Yeah. I'll be checking to see if I see the original Jellyman inside of here. The Jellyman will say, free them. All when you not see them, channel, into free them. I want to never see him today. I make him sing free them VI. Hi mom, how are you doing today? The sunshine day of traveling nation. Not too long from now, that sun is gonna disappear. And I'm gonna make sure that I reach to the hospital before it disappears. Yeah, man. Wow, look at Jellyman disappear again. So Jellyman, this is gonna be the second time I visit this plaza and you're not here. Oh, you know, that's the business. Alright. We're checking to see. Jellyman is not around. Might be gonna stool, they're gonna sing free them. All when you not see them. Name say. Me want you fit, them want fit check them. Festive me up in town. The town when I play. Jano. Wow, Jellyman is not around. So I will be taking a U-turn from here. The Jellyman used to be right in that little area there. So I'm gonna see him. So I'm gonna take a U-turn right here. Cool. You ever experienced this kind of weather you're not living in the friend? Never?
No.
Jano. You think one day we're gonna get snow? Oh. Jano. I wonder if man will get some snow tomorrow. Continue to walk with me. A lot of persons believe that it is possible that we get sooner one of the day. Seriously? Yeah. You can see that lady there. Stand up and fold up her hand. You can see another princess here. Fold up him, man. You can see driver just a fold up him, man. Everybody cool. Yeah, that you talk it truth, man. And that's you do. Are you used to this kind of weather, my brother? Jano. Me a pen. I wonder what this town is gonna feel like at 12 o'clock tonight. Jano. Very windy, very chilly. I kinda, as I said before, it's not like a New York kind of vibes. It's a kind of big up. Everything good? Alright. No, I'm not the party. That brother again. Off camera, I wanted me to assist him, John, with some gas, but I couldn't afford to offer him any assistance. Yeah, so sorry, my brother. So we're walking to. Let me see how hook up yourself. You cold? You ever experienced this kind of weather here in Jamaica? You want to say it on my vlog? Okay. Female there. Cool, my people. Yeah. But no matter how cool it is, persons don't have any choice. They have to still come out and hustle. No joke. Jano. It's gonna be a long walk. No money, my brother, no money. So we're walking through. See I'm going. Yeah. Auntie Ina, greetings, my sister. Wow. You should have stayed a little bit longer and to tell us if Jamaica will get to know one of the day. Big up to 17, it was a pleasure meeting you, my sister, my subscriber. Greetings. So we're walking to Captain Bakery. Yeah, man. So majority of the persons that you see, they fold their hands, and that is folding of the hands, or if the hands are in the pocket, it is a sign to say that they are cold. You know. Hi. You like the kind of weather here? Yeah. Alright, person that says you like the kind of weather. Hi. How are you doing today? You ever feel this kind of coolness in Jamaica here?
Of course.
Sure?
Yeah.
Which year was that? I can't remember. Alright. That young man there that speak earlier on, know what he was saying? What is in catch when you get them kind of cool here? Big up yourself, Daddy.
Yes, man.
You ever get them kind of coolness in Jamaica?
Jesus Christ, I was in 1980.
1980?
1981 or 82.
Yes, man. I remember that one.
2000 and 2 dancing.
Yes.
People are here weird.
Jano.
And so what day, yeah, this is coolness, I mean, where come from?
Jano, from yesterday? When?
No, I man street, the one boy thief, current boy, you fool boy, I was put up on the GPS board.
Yeah.
I run in my yard, I go.
Yeah.
And the house I put out, the woman go.
Yeah.
And he get my 5 pounds a lot.
Yeah.
So, I report paper them, they go back to some guy in our service.
Okay.
And some people.
Yes.
So I go down,
So it is. So what you're saying? She cool. She cool. Yeah, you have it traveling this.
So you have a doctor. You have a hospital.
Me a YouTuber man. Me a vlog. Is a vlog. Me a make and I ask a question about how people feel about the coal and the Geneva experience. This kind of coal. So you're saying that your house was burned down.
Yeah, man.
Wow. But it look like you're gonna get it back?
Well, as a government place and a government house, food for the poor one them.
Okay.
So I don't know where I plan, what them are going to do. So
Okay.
the letter, then what they give you a call, you a report letter, for sure say bun.
Okay.
And if they don't come look on you, can't get report.
Follow them up, my daddy. Follow them up, yeah?
Yes, yes.
The taxi is there. So they are in Travel Nation. The hell they live. Do you see the taxi stand is there? Okay. So Travel Nation, the hell I say you have to do 3 times the walking that I plan to do. I don't see that hell line on the position to do that kind of walking. My assistant was granted to him. Just hope that he was talking the truth. Right. General. Near Pental. Cold princess. You cold, mama?
Bad.
How bad? You feel like we get snow one of these days? Yeah, no. We continue this long walk. Journey with my travel. Journey with me, my traveling nation. Journey with me as I go. So as soon as you see the sign says Jamaican Hospital, that's where that vlog will be ending. No joke. So as we say, Traveling Nation will be walking around Jamaica, showing the beauty of the country, showing you the festiveness of the vibes of the people and all the energies of the people as we go along. Alright. So we keep walking and we're checking out the people that we feel cool or if them feel chilly. I don't know which one of them you want to name it. Yeah, man. You see, I can see you're just ready for the weather, yeah, man. You can see you're just ready for the weather, yeah. Have you ever felt this kind of cold in Jamaica here? What year was that? You never feel that kind of cold? Alright. So Traveling Nation will continue to ask the question. Texaco gas station. Yeah. Nice. Hi, good evening. So as we walk through Traveling Nation, team travels, please do. I want to encourage you to give this video a like. Hi, cold Jamaican. Have you felt this cold in Jamaica before? She shake her head and said no. She looked tired. That female there shake her head and said no. Temperature here is different. Jamaican are ready for this? Are we ready? Because a lot of persons are wearing sweaters. But it is, the sun is still shining out, and if we are feeling this kind of temperature, I wonder what it's going to be like 10 o'clock tonight. January. And I am also dressed in a sweat top and a sweat bottom, and I can feel the cold penetrating through what I am wearing. So I know for the person who will not wear anything, I know they must be feeling. Big up, big up. So we're walking through CMO. Countryside J. Hey. Always here neck of the wood, my brother. Report, report, report. We want to know what in your neck of the woods, what the people are feeling there. Big up. Taylor Ashley TV. I wonder if your neck of the woods is cold. Yeah. What about Captain Iron Nation? Yeah. Now you're Mr. 30 years. You're living way up in a hill. What say you? How cold are you? Hi. You see you turn away. I know why. so we can still ask you a question? You're not. I'm that way. Have you ever felt this kind of cold in your neck in here? Never. And you're a big woman. Jano. Check out Everbless Travels, yeah? YouTube. Everbless Travels on YouTube. You set up with your pocket, so that means you feel it, you know. Although she's wearing a sweat top, her hands are in her pocket. That means she's feeling the pinch of this temperature. No joke. We also have a lot of business places here. Lots of car mart there. Oh, the car mart in here. Alright. Fight it. Turkey outdoor living. Big up yourself, Jay. How are you? You good? Big up, big up. Some of the people, some don't know that gentleman there, no? But he went down in class and said, "Ever bless travels." Such traveling nation talk it truth. If I something that do wrong, I see him and I get called out. So that means we have to be walk with respect in the street. Yeah. So we continue to walk. You're cold, my brother. You're cold. Eh? You're cold. Very cold. So how you manage today? You have a blanket to cover with? Wow, you need a blanket, my brother. Alright. Jano. He's sitting with his hands in his lap. Yeah, man. Sitting with his hands in his lap. Yeah, man. That means that's a sign that he is cold. Jano. So team travels. I wonder if we're half the journey yet. Stay with Everbless Travels a little bit longer. We'll be showing you Jamaican Hospital. So as you go along Traveling Nation, I just want to take the time out Traveling Nation to encourage you. For those of you who are my subscribers, appreciate you. Just give the video a like. Yeah, boy, super warm up people and look more.
Yeah, man, that's not man.
Alright, so I can show you on camera?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So I soup on this before we reach the mission. What kind of soup you cooking?
This is a corn soup.
Corn? Cha.
Yeah.
How are you having this?
This is a goated and belly soup.
Cha, no.
Yep, and done it.
The pan done in?
Next part.
You cook the next one?
Yeah, the people in the night.
Because the time is cold. Yeah, have you ever felt this kind of cold here in Mapen, my brother?
See you, man.
Have you ever felt this kind of cold in Mapen?
No, I never feel it. First, I feel it.
Jano.
Just me send down all my jacket to me cold.
Yeah, man, for real.
Yeah, man.
So, in the meantime,
Every day me out here, man. Every day me out here.
do you think one of these days, if we're feeling this kind of chill, do you think it is like we get snow one of these days?
Yeah, man, I get you, man.
Jano.
I get you, man, because the system said, I get you, man.
It's not impossible. Georgia get 2 days ago.
See you, man.
Everbless Travels is my name. You see me, brother? So look out for Everbless Travels on YouTube.
Watch him, man. Watch on YouTube, man.
You watch Everbless Travels?
Yeah, man. I want to black people, man.
You see you? Traveling Nation. I see one of my big supporter here, I cook soup.
Yeah, man. I watch, man. I want to take off a shower, call and water, man. You said, you're going to tap your van because you can't go down water.
Appreciate you, my brother.
You see, man.
Appreciate you.
You see, man.
We're outside. It's a Traveling Nation.
Yeah, man.
So one of my supporter there.
Yeah, man.
So that's the reason why I'm Traveling Nation. That's the reason why when I go to Mapen and stop and buy a suit in front.
See you, man.
Because you want to support Everbless Travels and you're close to
Manchester, Mapen.
Yeah.
Manchester, right at Ice After within Ice After Omicron, Central Welding,
Central Welding, right there, sir. Yeah. So give him your full support, Traveling Nation. Each time you come and buy a super and tell him, say, I always travel, send you. We're outside. Big up. I'm a supporter of Traveling Nation. I'm a supporter. So me have to really have to turn up and give him another shout. So this is Central Welding. So if you're coming from Demby, after you pass Central Welding, you're gonna be the soup man. Yeah, man. And if you're coming from Jamaican Town Center and you reach a Central Welding, you pass the soup man. So give him a support. Buy some soup from him. Make him feel good. And that is Central Welding for you in Jamaica. So for all your building supplies, yeah, man. A Central Welding of it, man. Them have a phone number for Traveling Nation. Check them out. Central Welding. I feel you big up that. It no cost you nothing. So if anyone who from Central Welding watch this vlog, please to give it a like, right? Please to subscribe to the channel. Big up. A whole heap of people in Traveling Nation. A whole heap of people dress in them coat because them. Hi, how you doing today? How are you doing? Fruits? We doing a travel vlog. You wanna big up anyone? Okay, okay. So you but you don't mind check out the channel Ever Blessed Travels?
I know something when you again?
Ever Blessed Travels.
Yeah.
You say like you watch me already?
Yeah, I'm watching okay the video one guy up there so.
Tell me when oh, Lord of mercy, my supporters are in the street of Nathan. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So what you sell here?
Juice, you know.
What kind of, tell me, name out some of the things. Mr. See, I pack up to go up.
Yeah.
So tell me something. Whoa, me cool! Have you ever felt this kind of cold here in Nathan?
No.
Never. I am now feeling like I'm in Tampa, Florida.
Really?
Sometimes Tampa, Florida get this kind of weather.
Okay.
And Georgia gets snow a couple of days ago. Do you think that one of these days we're going to be getting snow if you're feeling this kind of chill? Have you ever traveled before?
Yeah.
Which country you traveled to?
Canada.
And Canada, cool. Talk it true. You feel like we'll get snow one of these days if you're feeling this kind of chills?
I don't believe that.
You don't believe?
No.
I was told that somebody said that we're going to get it in Mandeville.
Well, let's see.
Right, let's see. So Traveling Nation, she sell. Tell the nation some of the things that you sell.
Well, we sell like Sinatra, Heineken, Guinness, Red Stripe. You name a few.
Yeah, man. So Traveling Nation, my supporters are in the street. If you're coming from Jamaican Town Center, as you pass Central Welding, I style right as well. Give her your full support. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Active.
Yeah, man. She say active. And she flexible, you know. Yeah, man. I wonder if you have any juice. Let me see what.
No, the juice.
Oh, you think you pack up everything because because you can't leave the juice inside here.
No.
All right.
Keep them.
Jano. So I appreciate you for supporting Never Blessed Service.
Active.
All right. She say active again. Hi, good evening. My name is Ever Blessed Travels. You wanna say anything to you have no Instagram or anything you wanna shout out? Big up yourself, man.
Big up yourself.
Have you ever felt this kind of cold here in Clarendon? Do you think one of these days we're gonna be getting snow here in Jamaica, mean as we get this kind of chillness right now?
Not sure.
You're not sure? Have you ever been to a foreign country that has snow? Huh? So that means tomorrow me know you come out in a jacket, you know. Who not come out in a jacket tomorrow, you know? Talk it out. Alright? Them not cool my people. You say no. Ever Blessed Travels is my name, okay? Alright. So Traveling Nation, I have a confession to make. When many of you might not understand. When I walk the street and showcase wherever I'm at, but at the same time I am promoting myself for growth. So while you are watching and you are subscribing and you're liking the videos, I am in the street asking persons to do the same thing, because that's what I do, because I want to grow my channel. So don't get tired of me asking persons to subscribe to me or asking persons to give me the full support. That's what is needed. has developed fast. Hi, Mother, how you doing? Hi. Have you ever felt it's kind of cold here in Maitland? What year was that?
It's a cold front.
It's a cold front, but what year did you feel it's kind of cold? Okay. Alright. Traveling Nation. Right here is called where? What?
Stoplight.
No, different. The name. Tiger Mat?
Yes, Tiger Mat.
But what this area is called? You don't?
It's a Glenmore Road.
Okay. Glenmore Road is that way. I know that. I know Glenmore is that way. And that way it takes you to Frankfield, Chapelton way up. Alright, so we go in that way. Heading to Maitland Hospital. Stay tuned, my people. Let me go up here where it is narrow at the cross. Alright. So Simsima is fully active, my people. But Simsima is advertising Simsima and them don't say wait to keep. So, you know, they're promoting and you're not saying where the event is gonna be held. That's what is missing from that Simsima sign there. You know. Wow. Very chilly time here in Jamaica. And the question that I'm asking today is it possible that we get to know if we continue to have this kind of weather? Yes, very chilly. And as I said before, my people, I'm not exaggerating. You hear it from the people's mouths that it is very chilly. Yeah, man. And this hour of the evening, a lot of persons are getting ready to go home. Alright. As I said before, anytime you see the people and they have their hand in their pocket, yeah man, they will feel the effect of the cold. Some people experienced the temperature yesterday, so they put the sweater on today just to back off some of the chilliness. Yeah man. Fully active here in Maitland. Yeah man, a lot of friendly persons and I appreciate that. A lot of subscribers too. A lot of persons that support the channel. I appreciate it. Let me cross it. Alright, can't go on. Alright, so we're showing Maitland. I've done this walk before in my traveling nation, but it was from the other direction to Maitland Town Center. And not only was to do this one because I wanted to get the feedback from the persons that are living in this type of road, how they feel about the kind of weather. It's my kind of weather. Really, I rather it cold than hot. Yeah, I really rather a cold temperature. But this one well cool for me. This one well cool. Trucks on like one bike. Destination Maitland Hospital. So let's go. Let's go. Sure, my man, they come out in a marina and ride on the street like King Kong. So I'm walking a little bit faster just to make sure that I reach, don't knock me down, that I reach the hospital before it dark. Let's take it up here. Don't want to compete with the motors there, so I walk here. Can you imagine traveling nation? There's a lot of pumpkin on the side of the street here. But I'm looking for a pumpkin. Don't see one, that means let's start beer it. And I wonder if it should be a pumpkin, if someone would allow it to fit, properly fit, before they harvest them. Don't think so. Someone will just time pedal it and try to force somebody. So if somebody's trying to force somebody, you're going to be harvest young. Big choke! Big up, big up. Big up yourself, daddy. Everything good? Yeah. Oh, you need the cool temperature. Alright, alright. The man did up in a hurry. While me talk to him, step. Yeah, man. Big ups. Next cool man over there. Foley man, well cool. No joke. Traveling nation, this is the properties of Jamaican Hospital. It's like a park. Very creative. Lot of work done. A big choke. A sign there with an on and an X. That means while you're passing the hospital, don't honk your horn. Although the hospital is a distance in, they still put up that sign. Yes. Cool Maple. February 2, 2026. January start in Jamaica here with a bang. First experience rainfall, overtake nicely. Experience rainfall here in Jamaica January 1st, 2026, and I said it in videos before. It is mystery. It is record breaking because we don't experience, never experience rainfall on January 1. And see, it leaves all the way, rainfall all the way through January. Places here in Jamaica all flood out. And on February, still a break record. Yeah, man. We're now much traveling nation at Maple Hospital, and we'll be walking through. Here you are traveling nation, we're now at Jamaican Hospital, and we'll be won't be showing a lot here and the hospital compound. Traveling nation, we'll be closing out this video as promised at the Jamaican Hospital here. Team travelers, thank you so much for your continued support to Everest Travels. See you in the next one. Like, share and subscribe. Have a blessed travel outside like all the time.